Hello and welcome back to the World of Wonders. Thank you a million times for watching our adventures, and we promise to bring you more interesting content. Sit down, relax and enjoy as we explore GLENCOE, a spot in the northwest of Scotland. The first historical figure connected with GLENCOE was Fingal, one of the greatest Celtic heroes and leader of Fane warriors of Gaelic mythology. The glen was its legendary home, and his memory is preserved in a number of places. GLENCOE Mountain Resort is set in an area that is renowned for its scenic beauty. One of the ways to view the scenery is by taking the chairlift. Alternatively, you can walk up and down. We took the chairlift up the mountain, enjoyed the magnificent views. However, we missed the last ride down and had to walk all the way down.
It really is easy. If it was anything other than that, you wouldn't put me in charge.
Yeah. I hope you don't mind we're recording. I just want to see. It's never done it before, so we want to have the memory.
Right. Okay, essentially what we do
Yeah.
is we get you in your pairs to walk up to the two arrows.
Yeah.
Stand shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah.
Next chair comes, you have a seat. Funny that. And you lift your feet up because everyone's tall. Okay, that is it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can we see someone do it? Can you see them do it? I'm not so confident. Can you see them? Oh my god, is nothing holding you?
And then you follow this way.
The National Trust for Scotland cares for GLENCOE National Reserve, a 40,000-acre estate with 60 kilometers of footpath to explore. GLENCOE is a natural wonder. The remnants of a caldera or a supervolcano formed million years ago.
This is Scotland. What's the place called? GLENCOE. Just in the Highlands of Scotland. We spend a day here.
Yeah.
As you can see, like there's got some marvelous views everywhere.
I like the clouds. They seem like they're speaking, you know. When you look at them, they're like, I can't really tell what they're saying, but it's almost raining.
There will be more coming on our channel. We're just exploring the whole of Scotland. So,
Okay.
yeah, if you follow us and we'll show you more of Scotland for those who've never been in Scotland. So, as you can see over there, look.
Yeah, let's walk there. Do you want to show them the waterfall? Careful.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, follow, share and subscribe, and watch out for the next video.